my channel. Hope you're all doing well and had a lovely Valentine's. Yeah, so as you can tell from the title of this video, it's all about the baby's nursery. It's just a little update really of where we're at with the room. I didn't want to bore you with all the DIYs and stuff, so I just skipped to the end. But yeah, it's not yet complete. I still have lighting and blinds to sort out, so I thought I'd just share that with you. You know, we're in lockdown and there's so many lockdown babies out there. So yeah, I thought I'd just do a little video show you guys what I've done with the baby's nursery. So yeah, if you know someone who's expecting or if you're expecting yourself, you might get one or two things or, I don't know. But yeah, hope you like the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't done so. Enjoy the video, guys. So there you have it, guys, the baby's nursery. I'm super happy with how it all turned out. Yeah, I really love the prints. Be brave, be happy and be yourself. And this little musical mobile as well. It's a little cloud and an elephant and matches with the bedding. Well, it's got elephants as well. It's from the White Company, and this is from Mamas and Papas, and so is this big elephant cushion as well. So yeah, the room is almost done. We just left with blinds and lighting as well. Just want to change it to make it look nice and tie in with the whole look we're going for. And yeah, these are some fabric samples for the blinds. I don't know, I wanted like a blue grayish, but this is too bright, and this is, I don't know. Yeah, that's just too gray. But anyway, I wanted something between these two colors. But yeah, we might end up going with this one. I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably go with the lighter one. But we'll see. But yeah, so far, guys, this is the baby's nursery. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, there you have it, guys. We've reached the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. So this is the baby's nursery. I will do another update maybe towards the end when we've completed the whole house. We'll see, showing you like when well, once the blinds are there and the light has been changed as well. So yeah, hope you liked it. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to share this with all your mamas to be. I know it's a boys room, but you can just change up the colors. You might find one or two things useful from this video. I don't know, it might be the links of where I got the stuff from, but yeah, I'll link everything in the description. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.